Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up mobile game progress with Google Play Games easy tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your mobile game progress using Google Play Games, start by opening the Google Play Games app on your device. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Google Play Store. Once opened, sign in with your Google account. Make sure you are connected to the internet for the best experience. Navigate to the Library tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see a list of games that are compatible with Google Play Games. Choose the game for which you want to save progress. Tap on the game to access its page. Look for the play button and tap it to launch the game. Once the game is running, play for a few minutes to ensure it syncs with Google Play Games. When you're finished, exit the game completely. Now, go back to the Google Play Games app. At the top of the screen, find the Settings option and tap on it. Check that the Save Games option is enabled. This ensures that your game progress is automatically backed up. If it's not enabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. Some games might have an in-game option to link to Google Play Games. If available, follow the prompts to link your game to your account. This provides an extra layer of security for your game progress. To verify that your progress is saved, return to the game after a short break. Open the game and check if your progress is intact. If you see your latest progress, congratulations! You've successfully backed up your game. If you switch to a new device, simply install Google Play Games in the game. Sign in with the same Google account, and your progress should automatically sync. Remember to regularly check your backup settings to ensure everything is up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.